Every high-performance solar panel begins with carefully selected raw materials. From ultra-pure quartz sand to precision-engineered glass and aluminum, the journey starts as advanced logistics deliver premium materials to the factory. Every shipment is tracked, scanned, and prepared for one of the world's most precise manufacturing processes. Before a single solar cell is produced, a global supply chain brings together the finest materials. Precision logistics ensure every component arrives in perfect condition. Modern solar panel production begins with automation. Intelligent robots organize thousands of precision components, ensuring every panel starts with the highest. Purity is everything in semiconductor manufacturing. Through advanced chemical vapor deposition, raw silicon is transformed into ultra-pure polysilicon, removing even the tiniest inside this advanced purification plant. Every chemical reaction is precisely controlled. Automated systems eliminate microscopic contaminants, creating semiconductor. Artificial intelligence continuously monitors temperature, pressure, and chemical composition throughout the purification process, reaches the extreme purity required for today's most advanced computer chips. Before a single silicon crystal can be grown, the material must achieve exceptional purity. This sophisticated process creates the flawless foundation for the world's fastest. Inside the furnace, a seed crystal is lifted from molten silicon. As it rotates, atoms align into a perfect crystal, creating the foundation of tomorrow's computer chips. Every second of crystal growth is controlled by artificial intelligence. Temperature, rotation speed, and are adjusted with microscopic accuracy, ensuring the silicon ingot remains nearly free of defects. Growing a single silicon ingot can take several days. The crystal rises millimeter by millimeter, transforming later become hundreds of precision semiconductor wafers. These towering silicon ingots are among the most valuable materials in modern manufacturing. Each one will be sliced into ultra-thin wafers, becoming the foundation for processors that power.
Every wafer begins with absolute precision. Diamond wire saws slice massive silicon crystals into paper-thin wafers, measured to microscopic tolerances. Automation keeps every cut incredibly consistent. Intelligent robotics position each silicon ingot, while laser-guided systems ready for the next stage of chip manufacturing. Each wafer is only a fraction of a millimeter thick, yet it must remain nearly flawless. Advanced robotic handling systems carefully lift every delicate wafer, protecting the pristine.
Before any advanced processing begins, every silicon wafer must be perfectly clean. Automated chemical baths remove invisible contaminants, ensure surface for the next stage of semiconductor manufacturing. Specialized chemical texturing transforms each wafer at the microscopic level. Tiny pyramid-like structures reduce light reflection, allowing future solar cells to absorb significantly more sunlight. Every movement inside the wet processing station is controlled by robotics. Automated cleaning and rinsing eliminate human contamination while delivering unmatched consistency and manufacturing precision. This final surface preparation process leaves every wafer flawlessly clean and perfectly textured. It's a critical step that directly impacts the efficiency. Inside this diffusion furnace, phosphorus atoms penetrate deep into the silicon surface, the essential building block that allows every solar cell to generate electricity from sunlight.
Every wafer follows a precisely controlled thermal cycle. Extreme temperatures allow phosphorus atoms to diffuse evenly across the surface, electrical layer for maximum solar efficiency.
Automation guarantees remarkable precision during the doping process. Every second, temperature, gas flow, and timing are monitored. This ensures each wafer receives the right electrical properties.
This is where ordinary silicon becomes an active semiconductor. By introducing carefully measured phosphorus atoms, manufacturers transform each wafer into.
A microscopic silicon nitride coating is applied with extreme precision. This ultra-thin layer minimizes light reflection, allowing
every solar cell passes through an advanced automated coating system where precision equipment creates a flawless anti-reflective surface, improving efficiency while maintaining perfect manufacturing consistency.
Although nearly invisible, this nanometer-thin coating dramatically reduces energy loss from reflected sunlight, helping each solar cell convert more light into usable electricity.
Advanced robotics and intelligent process controls ensure every solar cell receives a perfectly uniform anti-coating, maximizing long-term performance, durability, and energy production. Every solar cell receives an intricate network of silver conductive lines. These microscopic pathways maximum power output while maintaining exceptional manufacturing precision.
Advanced robotic systems print conductive silver contacts with remarkable accuracy. Even the smallest alignment error can reduce efficiency, making precision one of the most critical steps in solar cell production.
Thousands of solar cells move through automated printing lines every hour. High-speed production combines consistency and accuracy to create reliable electrical pathways for every panel.
Under extreme magnification, the silver grid appears like a miniature highway system. These ultra-thin conductive lines capture generated electricity with minimal energy loss, maximizing solar performance.
Inside the firing furnace, temperatures reach hundreds of degrees in just seconds. This rapid heating permanently bonds the silver contacts to the silicon cell, creating durable. Rapid thermal processing precisely heats each solar cell. Every second is carefully controlled. Strong electrical connections, consistent manufacturing quality. Artificial intelligence continuously adjusts furnace temperatures and conveyor speed. This smart automation keeps every solar cell connections while reducing manufacturing defects. As the cells leave the furnace, the metal contacts have become a permanent part of the silicon surface. This critical process prepares each solar cell.
Every solar cell undergoes an advanced optical inspection. Artificial intelligence detects human eye, ensuring only flawless cells continue to the next stage of production.
Electroluminescence imaging exposes hidden imperfections inside each solar cell. This non-destructive inspection reveals tiny internal cracks. Precision automation allows thousands of sols every hour. AI-powered vision systems instantly identify defects, max manufacturing speed while maintaining exceptional quality standards. After inspection, every solar cell is automatically graded based on its electrical performance. Only the highest quality cells are selected for building efficient, long-lasting solar panels. Every solar cell is individually tested and graded by advanced AI systems. Based on power output and efficiency, robotic arms organize each cell. Precision robotics handle every solar cell with exceptional care and completely automated, while maximizing production speed and manufacturing efficiency. Inside this smart factory, artificial intelligence makes thousands of sorting decisions every minute, work together to deliver unmatched consistency, speed, and solar cell quality. Every connection matters. Precision robots solder ultra-thin copper ribbons between solar cells, creating reliable electrical pathways that maximize power output factoring speed. Copper ribbons act like tiny highways for electricity. Advanced robotic systems position and solder each ribbon with microscopic accuracy, ensuring every solar cell performs at peak efficiency. Artificial intelligence continuously checks every solder joint as assemble complete solar cell strings. This automated inspection guarantees exceptional quality before the next production stage.
In this advanced production line, infrared soldering creates strong, reliable electrical connections without damaging. The result is a durable string ready for panel assembly.
Every solar panel begins with perfect alignment. Robotic systems position the tempered glass and protective layers with microscopic precision, creating the foundation. Advanced automation transforms individual components into a complete solar panel stack. Artificial intelligence ensures every layer is positioned flawlessly before the next manufacturing stage begins. Using vacuum technology and laser guidance, robots gently handle fragile solar cells without causing damage. Every movement is optimized for speed, accuracy, and long-term reliability.
Inside this smart factory, intelligent robots assemble each solar panel with incredible consistency, verify every layer, ensuring world-class quality before lamination begins. Inside this smart factory, intelligent robots assemble each solar panel with incredible consistency, verify every layer, ensuring world-class quality before lamination begins. Advanced automation transforms individual components to a complete solar panel stack. Artificial intelligence ensures every layer is positioned flawlessly before the next manufacturing stage begins. Using vacuum technology and laser guidance, robots gently handle fragile solar cells without causing damage. Every movement is optimized for speed, accuracy, and long-term. Inside this smart factory, intelligent robots assemble each solar panel with incredible consistency. Automated vision sims verify every layer, ensuring world-class quality.
Inside the vacuum laminator, intense heat and pressure permanently fuse every solar panel layer together. This critical process removes trapped air, creating a strong.
Advanced robotics handle every panel with millimeter precision. During vacuum heat activates the encapsulant while pressure a single, durable solar module built for extreme outdoor conditions. As the chamber reaches its programmed temperature, the EVA encapsulant softens and flows around every solar cell. The vacuum eliminates microscopic air pockets, ensuring maximum durability. Hundreds of solar panels move through automated vacuum laminators every hour. This precision-controlled process transforms delicate components into rugged, high-performance modules ready to withstand. Every frame is installed with robotic precision, creating a strong protective structure that keeps the solar panel durable for decades in demanding outdoor environments. Automation allows each panel to receive a perfectly fitted aluminum frame in just seconds. This increases production speed while maintaining exceptional manufacturing accuracy.
Smart vision systems verify alignment before installation, ensuring every aluminum frame is mounted flawlessly for maximum structural integrity and long-term reliability.
This fully automated framing cell combines speed, strength, and precision, giving every solar panel the rugged aluminum structure needed for years of reliable performance. Every solar panel needs a reliable electrical connection. Here, intelligent robots attach the junction box with pinpoint accuracy. Safe power transfer and high-speed automation connects every output cable with incredible precision. Each connection is carefully secured to maximize efficiency and withstand years of outdoor operation. Artificial intelligence checks every installation instantly. Even the smallest wiring or alignment issue is detected before the panel moves to the next production stage. Working together in perfect synchronization, these robotic systems complete hundreds of flawless junction box installations every hour, delivering consistent quality at industrial scale. Every finished solar panel faces a split-second sunlight simulation. A powerful flash instantly measures voltage, current, and peak power, confirming that every panel meets strict performance standards. Advanced automation verifies the electrical performance of every solar panel. Intelligent systems compare real-time results with factory specifications, ensuring long-term reliability. Each flash test lasts only milliseconds, but it reveals everything engineers need to know: electrical stability and overall quality before the panel earns final approval. Before shipping, every solar panel must prove its performance sunlight. Automated flash testing guarantees accurate power ratings, giving customers confidence in every panel delivered from the factory. Before every solar panel leaves the factory, it undergoes electroluminescence testing under infrared imaging, allowing AI systems to detect defects that human eyes could never see. Powerful robotic scanners inspect every solar panel in seconds. Artificial intelligence instantly identifies hidden imperfections, ensuring only flawless panels. This advanced imaging process reveals the invisible health of every solar cell. AI algorithms measure even the smallest structural flaws, guaranteeing maximum efficiency. Every panel must pass one final invisible inspection. Electroluminescence imaging and artificial intelligence work together to eliminate hidden defects, delivering dependable clean ecads. Every finished panel is carefully cleaned and inspected before packaging. Automated systems apply protective films and identification labels, ensuring advanced AI packaging systems handle every solar panel with incredible precision. Smart robots securely pack each unit, minimizing damage while maximizing production speed. Once packaged, robotic palletizing systems organize solar panels into perfectly balanced shipments. Automated guided vehicles move every pallet efficiently toward warehouse storage. Inside the smart warehouse, autonomous robots coordinate every movement. From inventory tracking to final storage, are ready for fast and reliable global distribution. Once production is complete, solar panels begin an incredible journey across the globe. Massive cargo ships transport thousands of panels, delivering clean energy solutions. For urgent projects and remote destinations, cargo aircraft provide rapid delivery. This global network ensures that clean energy reaches even the world's most challenging locations.